His name is Kubwa. A massive crocodile, weighing nearly 1 ton. A true giant among giants. And among them, the largest of all, is Kubwa himself. A Nile crocodile, stretching almost 18 feet long. For food, he's been waiting an entire year. His first move must be patience. He cannot alert his prey. Only when the moment is right, when he's close enough to strike, will he unleash his terrifying power. A jaw strong enough to crush bone. To animals coming to drink, Kubwa looks like nothing more than mud. Few predators can hide in plain sight, so close to their prey, but Kubwa can. And the strike comes in an instant. Kubwa's real power comes from his enormous jaw muscles. Together, they weigh nearly 100 pounds. But that's only part of the secret. Those muscles are packed with high-density fibers that contract with deadly force, up to 60% stronger than a human's. In one motion, he can clamp down with 70 tons of pressure. Once he bites, there is no escape. His teeth are like steel blades. But today, his prey reacts fast. A single kick could shatter bone. This time, Kubwa fails. A hard hit cracks one of his teeth. Large prey are never easy to kill, even for a hunter as powerful as him. A few days later, the wildebeests have moved on. But for Kubwa, now in his 60s, such failure means little. He's only lost one tooth. Each of his teeth can regrow up to 50 times. And he still has more than 60 left. Like all crocodiles, he's built to take a beating. His skin is thick and layered with armor. Bone plates lock together beneath the surface, forming a natural shield. Even hooves and claws can't pierce it. It seems, Kubwa's chance has come again. A few stragglers have returned to the riverbank, stopping for one last drink before the journey. Kubwa's only weakness is his eyes. But he can roll them safely inside his skull. Protected from harm. The drawback? He must strike with his eyes shut. This time, Kubwa connects. His bite is unrelenting. Just 4 teeth are enough to hold a full-grown wildebeest still. In less than a minute, the hunt is over. Kubwa doesn't fight off other crocodiles. Instead, he welcomes them. There's enough for everyone. For Kubwa, there's plenty to go around. Working together, they quickly tear the prey apart. It's a feast that serves them all. To claim his share, Kubwa performs the infamous death roll. This violent spin drowns the prey before tearing it apart. Brutal, yet efficient. It's been almost a year since Kubwa last ate this well. But consuming nearly 1/5 of his own weight comes with deadly risks. For a cold-blooded reptile, a meal this big can take weeks to digest. Over time, that meat begins to rot inside him. Inside the body, toxins start to form. If left too long, they could kill him. Even bones can clog his gut. To survive this meal, Kubwa must speed up digestion. And to do that, he relies on an ancient trick. A terrifying adaptation. When blood flows through his body, it builds up carbon dioxide. That gas fuels his stomach acid. With his powerful heart, Kubwa redirects this toxic gas to his advantage. He activates a special valve found only in crocodiles. When it closes, blood bypasses his lungs and flows straight to his stomach. There, the carbon dioxide triggers his cells to release acid 10 times faster. So powerful, it can dissolve bone. When his meal is finally digested, almost nothing goes to waste. Since the age of dinosaurs, creatures like Kubwa have ruled these waters. Unchanged for millions of years. A perfect survivor. The Nile crocodile is not just a hunter, it is living history.